Plants, like all living things, need a way to transport essential substances throughout their bodies. Imagine a tall oak tree. How do water and nutrients from the soil reach its towering leaves? The answer lies in two specialized vascular tissues, zyelam and floyam. These tissues act as a plant's plumbing system, ensuring a constant supply of water, minerals, and sugars to all parts of the plant, from the tiniest root tip to the highest leaf. Zyelam is responsible for transporting water and dissolved minerals upwards from the roots. Floyam, on the other hand, carries sugars, produced during photosynthesis in the leaves, to other parts of the plant where they are needed for growth and energy. Together, zyelam and floyam form a complex network of vessels that extends throughout the plant, connecting roots, stems, and leaves. Zyelam is a specialized tissue composed of dead cells called tracheids and vessel elements. These cells are elongated and hollow, forming continuous tubes that run from the roots to the leaves. The walls of these cells are thickened with lignin, a complex polymer that provides structural support and prevents the vessels from collapsing under pressure. Water and minerals absorbed by the roots enter the zyelam vessels and are transported upwards through a process called transpiration. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from the leaves, which creates a negative pressure that pulls water up through the zyelam. Think of it like drinking through a straw. As you suck on the straw, you create a negative pressure that draws the liquid upwards. The process of transpiration is driven by the difference in water potential between the soil and the atmosphere. Water potential is a measure of the tendency of water to move from one area to another. Water always moves from an area of high water potential, such as the soil, to an area of low water potential, such as the atmosphere. As water evaporates from the leaves through tiny pores called stomata, it creates a negative pressure in the zyelam vessels. This negative pressure pulls water up from the roots through the stem and into the leaves. The cohesive and adhesive properties of water molecules also play a crucial role in this process. Cohesion refers to the attraction between water molecules, while adhesion refers to the attraction between water molecules and the walls of the zyelam vessels. These forces allow water to form a continuous column within the zyelam, preventing air bubbles from breaking the flow. Section 4. Floyam, the sugar superhighway. While zyelam transports water and minerals upwards, floyam is responsible for transporting sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant. This process is known as translocation. Floyam is composed of living cells called sieve elements and companion cells. Sieve elements are elongated cells connected end to end, forming sieve tubes. Companion cells are located adjacent to sieve elements and provide metabolic support. Sugars produced in the leaves are actively loaded into the floyam sieve tubes, increasing the sugar concentration in these cells. This creates a concentration gradient that drives the movement of sugars from the source, like the leaves, to the sink, such as roots, fruits, or other growing tissues. The movement of sugars in floyam is an active process that requires energy. Section 5. Zyelam and floyam, a vital partnership for life. The coordinated functioning of zyelam and floyam is essential for plant survival. Zyelam ensures a constant supply of water and minerals, while floyam distributes sugars to fuel growth and development. This intricate vascular system enables plants to thrive in diverse environments, from arid deserts to lush rainforests. Consider a maple tree in autumn. The brilliant colors of its leaves are a result of sugars trapped in the leaves as the tree prepares for winter. These sugars, transported by floyam, provide energy and nutrients for the tree's survival during the dormant season. Without zyelam and floyam, plants would be unable to transport essential substances, limiting their growth, development, and ultimately their survival.